Hello, my name is Patrick Mailer with Cornell Votes, and today we're here to show you how to fill out a voter registration form for New York State. You can fill this form out if you live on campus or if you have a permanent address off campus. First, you can either pick up a form at the Public Service Center at 300 Kennedy Hall or request one from the Board of Elections directly at elections.ny.gov. On the first part of the form, check the first two boxes. If either of these statements is false, you should not fill out the rest of this form. Then, enter your full legal name and birth date. Sections 5 through 7 are optional, but we suggest providing your email and/or number in the unlikely event that the Board of Elections needs to contact you. In sections 8 and 9, enter your address and PO box if you have one different from your regular address. If you are on campus, you need to put in your specific dorm's address. For example, 9321 Low Rise 9. If you are off campus, you'll need to put in your address as well, such as 414 Schuyler Avenue. Next, only fill out sections 10, 11, and 12 if they apply to you. Otherwise, you can skip them. Section 13 is critical to finishing your application. You can either enter your DMV number or the last 4 digits of your social security number. If you have a driver's license that is out of New York State, you must enter your social security number instead. Sections 14 and 15 are optional. If you want, you may register with a political party. To vote in primaries in New York State, you must be registered with the party for whose primary you wish to vote in. Cornell Votes does not endorse or support any political party as a nonpartisan organization. Finally, sign and date your name. Once you have completed this form, you can either mail it directly to the Board of Elections or bring it to the Public Service Center. If you have any other questions about how to fill your application to vote in New York State, either email cornellvotes@cornell.edu or talk with a member in the Public Service Center. Congratulations for becoming a New York voter, and we hope you vote in the upcoming election.